Wait. Hold on. Oh. It fucking moves.
That's so fucking creepy. That's so creepy, man.
It's like, do it. Do the clown. No, do you do it. You imitate it. Look at that one, so fucking creepy. It's like, please.
Look at the eyes on it, it's like bug eyes.
I know, please. Oh, look at that. That one's got fucking buck teeth, dude. That shit, that's got buck teeth. Holy shit.
Go back to the clown.